Hello and welcome back to Home Go Time, your go-to destination for inspiration and ideas in home decor and design. Budget-friendly vintage cottage decor ideas, DIY farmhouse charm. Vintage cottage farmhouse decor has that special kind of charm, soft, lived in, and full of story. And the best part? You don't need a big budget to bring that timeless, collected look into your home. With a little creativity and the right DIY ideas, you can create cozy, character-filled spaces using pieces that feel personal, practical, and warm. This style is all about finding beauty in simplicity. Think antique-inspired details, chipped paint finishes, soft floral prints, and cozy textures that invite you to slow down. You can blend thrifted treasures, repurposed furniture, and handmade accents to create rooms that feel authentic and unique, without spending a lot. In today's video, we're walking through affordable ways to decorate every room with vintage cottage farmhouse charm. From cozy kitchen touches and living room layers to bedroom corners and entryway ideas, you'll see how small updates make a big difference. We'll show you how to use what you have, shop secondhand, and add DIY details that bring warmth and character into your home. So grab your favorite hot drink, get cozy, and let's explore some beautiful, budget-friendly decor ideas that prove style doesn't have to be expensive. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another video here on Home Go Time. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope these ideas gave you a fresh wave of inspiration to decorate with heart, even on a budget. Whether you're styling a small space or transforming a whole room, it's the thoughtful, personal touches that create a home you'll love. Until next time, keep decorating with creativity, comfort, and a little vintage soul.